questions. Now, what was the last one we did? We did B. Now let's go to C. Now let's take C. What's the question? Can you read it to me? 3C. Can you read that?
3 raised to power 2x.
3 raised to power 2x.
Minus 4.
Minus what?
4.
Into brackets.
3 raised to power
x
plus 1.
3 raised to power x plus 1.
Plus 27.
Plus 27 equals 0. Do you understand? And what does that mean? 3 raised to power 2x is the same as 3 raised to power x. What would that be?
Good.
Beautiful. It's the same as the square of 3 raised to power x minus 4 into bracket what? How will I write 3 raised to power x plus 1? 3 raised to power x plus 1. That's the same as 3 raised to power x times 3 raised to power 1. Do you understand? Plus 27 equals what? 0. Do you understand? Are you sure? So what happens? I can now say, you know this, let me write this way so that you don't get confused. The square of 3 raised to power x minus 4 times 3 raised to power x times what? Times what?
3.
Which is same as 3 raised to power 1 plus 27 equals what?
0.
Equals 0. So what do I now say? Let q be equal to what?
3. X, 3x.
No.
3 raised to power 2.
It's not 3x now. It is 3
raised to power x.
3 raised to power x. It's different from 3x. Let q be equal to 3 raised to power x. So what do we now have? What do we have?
Q raised to power 2.
I don't need to put brackets. You can say that. That's what? Q raised to power 2, which means q squared.
Minus 4 times q times 3
4 times q times 3 is the same as what? Minus 12q. Do you know? Minus 4 times q is minus 4 times q times 3. That will be minus 12q. Do you understand? Do you understand? So what do we have? Plus what?
Plus 27.
Plus 27 equals what?
0.
Equals 0. So what do we now do? We solve the quadratic equation by the factorization method again. Q squared times plus 27 is what?
Plus 27q squared.
Beautiful. Plus 27q squared. So what are the factors whose product is 27q squared and whose sum is minus 12q? So what are those factors? Just think of the factors of 27. What are they? This is plus 27q squared. What are those factors? 27 can be plus 1 times plus 1q times plus 27q. That will not give us minus 12q when we add. It could also be minus 1q times minus 27q. But that will not give us minus 12. This is a way to, get the factors if you can't get them, think of them immediately. It can also be what? Plus 3q times what? Plus 9q. This also gives you plus 27q squared. But when we add, we will not get minus 12. What else could it be? To get plus 27q squared. What else could it be? It can also be what?
3q.
Beautiful. Minus 3q times what?
Minus 9q.
Beautiful. Minus 9q. When we multiply these two, we'll get plus 27q squared. When we add, are we going to get minus 12q?
Yes.
Yes. So that's what we replace minus 12q with. Minus 3q minus 9q. And we can take out all of that. Minus 3q minus... Don't let your 9 look like a q. So that simply means q squared, and instead of minus 12q, write what? Minus 3q minus 9q. What's the next?
Plus 27.
Plus 27 equals 0. Do you understand? Now, what's common to q squared and minus 3q?
Q.
Q into brackets what? Q minus 3. What's common to minus 9q and plus 27? What do you choose? So that when minus 9 into bracket, we use stop that. Minus 9 into bracket what? minus 9q, that's how you do it. Minus 9q divided by minus 9. What's that? Minus divided by minus is plus.
Plus
9 divided
q.
by, that's plus q, right? And that's q. Now what is plus 27 divided by minus 9? Plus 27 divided by minus 9. Plus divided by minus is minus. 27 divided by 9 is 3. Do you understand? Do you understand? Equals 0. So you can see that what's inside the bracket here is same as inside the bracket here. Do you understand? So you put this together. Q minus 9 times, pick one of those two that are the same. Is that clear? Do you understand? Q minus 3 equals 0. What does that mean? Q minus 9. Why are you playing that audio, Jamu? Q minus 9 equals 0 or Q minus 3 equals 0. Do you understand? Do you understand? And that means what? Q equals 9. Or you have to be careful because the Q is almost looking like a 9. Or Q equals 3. And we know that Q is 3 raised by x. That means 3 raised by x equals 9. Or 3 raised by x equals what?
3.
Beautiful. So that means 3 raised by x. What is 9 as a power of 3? As a power of 3. What's 9 as a power of 3?
9 is by 0.
Is what? 9 as a power of 3.
3 squared.
3 squared, beautiful. 3 raised by 2. Or 3 raised by x equals what? 3 raised by 1. Is that clear? And x is therefore equal to what? X is equal to what therefore? X is equal to what therefore?
2.
X is equal to 2 therefore. Or x equals what?
1.
Or x equals 1. Do you understand? And that's it, very, very, very simply. Do you understand? So you are going to do what's it called? You are going to do this fill